Finally, today is the day I can create some custom clickies. Hey there, Playmobil pals. Thanks for checking out this video. I am very excited to bring this video to you guys today. I've wanted to do something for years, and today is finally the day. I finally got all the pieces that I needed. The main weight was for a couple things, actually. These pants, of course, they are like black pants with shoes rather than boots. The only difference is that these are like kind of like pleated, like they're the business suits, like the very fancy, almost like tuxedo like pants. But I needed 4 of these to do what I want to do. And did I have to compromise any of my clickies? I did. I only compromised another custom clicky. It was a butler that I made. But the pants, actually, I don't know what happened to the rest of them, but I actually, during the Playmobil movie craze, that was very short-lived, unfortunately, when the mystery clickies came out, I bought a whole bunch of them from the dollar store, and I got 5 of the Rex Dasher figurine, and so I had a whole bunch of these pants, but I don't know whatever happened to all of them. So I ended up having to order a couple of these to get where I want to get. So there was that, and then this particular hairpiece. Whoa, this particular hairpiece was very hard to come by. I see this hairpiece with the Everdreamers sisters. I can't remember their names right now. And this one is supposed to be like a very bright, like almost highlighter yellow. The other one is like a highlighter green. And this is the yellow one, actually. As you can see, I did some painting to get it to the hue that I needed. But I tried looking this up just to see if I could order the hairpiece alone online, and what they were asking for was just absolutely outrageous. I mean, it was like maybe $2 for the hairpiece, but it was like $10 to ship it, and it was only coming from Europe. So I had to improvise a little bit with what pieces I had. So the particular figure that this hairpiece comes with is hairless right now. So desperate times call for desperate measures. And I recently purchased a Playmobil lot from eBay. It was just a bunch of random pieces, and they had a whole bunch of these things, these collars with the neckties, and I was able to secure 3 of them, and the 4th one is slightly off color, but I think it's perfect. Okay, so we have our legs assembled, and we've got these black tops. As you can tell, they'll be wearing black tops because I've got 4 black tops there. And then the Rex Dasher, is that his name? Yeah, Rex Dasher. His arms actually have the little white section there on the cuff of the sleeve, and it has this little design there too. I actually tried to remove it. This one's been removed, but it took me for what felt like forever to get it that way. So I recently did another eBay purchase where I got some cuff links, I guess, cuffs, to put over the cuff. So here we go. This is the first body completed. Let me move this hand. There we go. Body number 2. Well, I guess technically number 3. But I'm not doing these in order. All right. Who it is. So now we have 4 black bodies. I'm going to do one in blue and 3 of them in white. Okay, so now we have some heads. Now I did have to customize a couple of the heads. So here's one. Wow. What in the world? It's like, there we go. Got it in. It was like resisting. It was like, I'm not going in. Here's the second one. Here's where we will see a couple customized heads here. We got one here. All I did was add some slightly arched eyebrows. That was a conscious decision. All right, that one popped right in. I love it. This one got some thicker eyebrows and some like cheekbones. Oh, wow. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the cuffs. It kind of hides that paint. They're small, which is kind of like sort of not embarrassing, aggravating, more like it. Can you hear Roxy snoring in the background? The sun is shining through. If you guys were watching the Toy Store video, was it the Toy Store video? I think it was. No, it wasn't the Toy Store video. There was a video that we just did recently where I point out that she likes to sleep on the office floor because the sun shines through the window and heats up the carpet. And so she likes to sleep right there where the sun is shining, and that's what she is doing right now. And she is asleep and just loving it. She probably normally wakes up when she knows I'm talking about her, but she's a little too content right now to even notice. Is this on right? Yeah, I got this on right. So yeah, there's one of these characters with a blue top, and it's for comedic purposes. I mean, it's not funny right now, but if you know what I'm doing or who these people are supposed to be, you would get it, and I'll explain it in a second. But right now we're trying to finish this up here. So now we got four men fully dressed. Just need to finish their hair. Now each of them have a specific hairstyle. We're gonna go with this guy first. He's got a very well-maintained head of hair there, almost perfect. Then the second one here, he's gonna have some bushier, longer hair. Then Mr. Wrong Color is going to have the customized hair. I'm gonna have to bring him forward here so I can get a better grip. There we go. And last but not least, we have this guy here. All right. So, in case you haven't figured it out, guys, it's the Beatles. From right to left, we have John, Ringo, George, and Paul. Now, ways back, I made a Sgt. Pepper era John Lennon. Here he is in his Sgt. Pepper costume. He's got the green, and I had once upon a time actually customized the top. He had a top upper torso that matched the bottom legs in color. It was very light green, and it wasn't perfect, so I went with taking this off a pirate klicky and changing the hands out, and then getting the lapels here, and the cuff links, or the cuffs. I keep wanting to call them cuff links, and that's just wrong. So here we have John Lennon. This is circa 1964 John Lennon, followed by 1964 era Ringo Starr, the drummer. Okay, then we have George Harrison, who is the lead guitarist here, and he often, in the early days, would share a microphone with the bassist, left-handed bassist, mind you, Paul McCartney, who in recent years was made famous by Kanye West. I've actually had these guys made for a while. The only thing I was missing is the cuffs for their sleeves there. They have shown up in a couple of videos just as quick cameos, and I've done really bad impressions of them. But anyway, yeah, guys, this is my Beatles klickys, my custom Beatles klickys. Hope you like it. That's the end of this video. Everybody have a wonderful day. Check us out on Instagram, check us out on X, and we will see you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.